This is something that nobody shows you, so pay attention. If you're a homeowner and you just take the standard deduction on your tax return without checking this, you might actually be leaving a real tax break on the table. So here's what's changed. So the SALT deduction, which is state and local taxes, covers things like property taxes and state income taxes. So the big update is the SALT cap. It increased to $40,000. Before that, it was only $10,000. So what this does is it reduces your taxable income and it increases your refund that you'll get at the end of the year. But this is where most people mess up. They hear $40,000 deduction and they just assume everybody gets it. You only benefit if you itemize, meaning that your total itemized deductions have to be higher than your standard deduction. And if you're in the state of Texas or Florida, you already don't have any state income tax. So majority of these benefits are gonna come from property taxes. So let's just say you live somewhere that does have state income taxes. Let's say you pay $22,000 in property taxes and $18,000 in state income taxes. That's $40,000 of SALT. Under the old cap, you may have only been able to account $10,000, but now if you itemize, you can count the full $40,000. So here's the part that nobody shows you. SALT isn't the only thing that you can itemize. You can also add mortgage interest and charitable donations like tithe at church. When you stack these two together, a lot of homeowners, especially the high wage income earners, most of the time itemizing is gonna be the better route than taking your standard deduction, which is exactly how you qualify for the $40,000. So here's what you do today. This is gonna save you years and years of guessing. Pull three numbers. It's property taxes, state and local income taxes, and your mortgage interest. Add those together and then add any charitable contributions. If that total is higher than your standard deduction, itemizing is going to help you this year. And a quick note, there is income limits and specific rules depending on your situation. So run it by your CPA or your tax pro, but don't skip the check.